Alright, so I saw this video on TikTok and I feel like I need to try it out. So these are the normal wheels that you get on your chairs. Now these are really hard to move on carpet and it makes it really difficult, especially when you're sitting on it. This is me trying to move it when I'm not sitting on it and it's still quite difficult, and you can see that the wheels sometimes struggle, right? Now these you can pick up on Amazon, and apparently these are meant to make my life a hell of a lot easier. So let's get them out. They are wheels that are rubberized and they have a much fluid motion on them. So that should make me using my chairs a lot easier. So let's find out how good these actually are. It cost me about £20 for all of these, or £22. So if I bring this in, let's turn this chair. This is probably going to be the least dignified video that I ever make. I've got things everywhere right now, this is why it's pretty difficult for me to do. So just grab the legs, yank them out, and replace with a new one. Replace. So doesn't take more than a minute to do, but does it make a difference to the way this flows, right? And I can tell you straight away, this is so much better. This is worth the upgrade, 100%. I can recommend that you should do this. Make sure you get yourself some of these instead of your standard wheels for your chairs.